Hello everybody. Today we'll be saying about static routing. Okay, what is static routing? Static routing is how we connect to from one network to another network statically. That is, we through some CLI commands we can pass packets from one network to another network connected via routers. So here, this is my topology, and I would say this as my first network, that is uh, 192.168.2.0, and this is 192.160.2.32. This is 64 and dot 96 and 128. These are my sub networks, and so altogether there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 networks connected through 3 routers. And I wanted to pass a packet from this end system, that is 2.1 to 2.65 and 2.129. So whereas this network has no connection with these two networks, because it is only directly connected with the uh, networks 2.32. So we use some CLI commands. Here are those. So at router 1, we could say that IP route 192.168, sorry, 168.2.64. That is, our this network should be connected with this network via the router 162.168.2.34. You see where 34 is. Here you could see that, yeah, here is 34. So through this router, this is the gateway to other networks. So through this we want to connect to the network 2.64. So through this command, that connection is established directly. And then for first network we also need to connect with 96 and 128, and again the gateway is this router itself, because this network can reach both the uh, 2.64 and 2.98 and 2.128 only through this router. So that is the command we have used, and in between we can see that this is the subnet mask. And when we give SHIP route, we could see that which all are connected and which all are not. So we go with router 1, we go to CLI command. Sorry. SH uh, route. See, we could see that 2.0 is directly connected uh, with 32, and the other 3 networks, it is connected via the router 2.34. So this has happened after we have given the statement. I have already done that. And similarly with router 2, we could see that uh, when we give show IP SHIP route, we could see that here uh, 32 was connected directly, and 96 was also directly connected, and with 20 it can reach only through this router, that is 2.33. and to 96 it was connected directly, to 64 it was connected directly, and to 32 it was directly connected. So indirect connections were to 2.0 and 2.128. To 128 it should connect only via this router, that is 2.98. So this is clear, and we have one more router. We'll see the IP table. EN SHIPROUTE. Okay, here this is similar to the first scenario. We have the router connected with the network 128 and 96 directly via serial ports, and then indirect connections are these three, and to the first network, that is 2.0, it is connected via the router 97. For every network the gateway is 97, so it is connected to 32 as well as 64. And now let's try to ping and see whether it is working or not. So we'll start with this, and we have command prompt. So we'll try to ping 192.168.2.2. What was the IP address of this one? 65. Yes, it is successfully happening. 4 packets sent and received. And let's try with the other one as well. 129. Yes, ping is working correctly. Now let's do this for other networks as well. Other end system connected to other networks. Okay, command prompt. See, I have done one it for you. Ping 192.168.2.1. Everything was proper. And now let's do it 129 as well. It is working. And with the last one, that is this end system, it has to transfer its packet to 2.1. It's working. Here you could see that I tried to ping it. And then with 65, yes, that's also working. So here packets could be sent from any network to any other network as well through static routing. And we'll see another of dynamic routing through RIP version 1 in the next coming video. Thank you.